Are you ready to elevate your employees' engagement and cultivate a thriving corporate culture? Let me introduce you to an unexpected ally, IT Asset Disposition, or ITAD. You might be surprised on how you can transform your workplace. First, let's talk about how you can foster a culture of sustainability. Implementing responsible ITAD practices demonstrates to your team that you genuinely care about your planet. This commitment resonates with the eco-conscious employees and significantly can boost morale. When your organization takes positive actions, job satisfaction soars, creating a happier, more engaged workforce. Now let's move on to employee empowerment. Involving your team into the ITAD process, whether it's through organizing electronic waste drives or hosting educational workshops on responsible electronic waste, cultivates a strong sense of ownership and responsibility. It encourages everybody to contribute to a common goal. Next, consider the impact on innovation. By prioritizing effective asset management, inspire your team to think creatively about how they use technology. This leads to improved processes and innovative solutions that can benefit your entire organization. And here's another key point. A robust commitment to ITAD and sustainability makes company more appealing to potential hires. In today's competitive job market, many professionals are eager to work for organizations that prioritize social responsibility. So why not take a closer look to your ITAD strategy? Partner with us, B2B Exports, to develop initiatives that resonate with your team and elevate your corporate culture. Together, we can make a meaningful impact. Reach out today and let's drive some positive change. Contact us to learn more about our certification and our safety process.